When I first drove the truck, right after it came back from the install, I just noticed it was grounded. It felt more like I was in four-wheel drive than in two-wheel drive. And especially pulling the trailer, it felt more grounded. In the past, this truck would bounce with the rear end, and the active suspension seemed to quiet that down. When you're pulling a trailer, you want your truck to be level, you want your trailer to be level. Without the active suspension, you end up with maybe a 1 or 2 inch sag in the rear of your truck. I think it's an amazing piece of technology that someone came up with something that looks so simple but can accomplish so much. The active suspension allows you to pull with confidence.